Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day today. Today we are in a different location because I'm filming this in my lunch break at work, and today we're going to do a what fits or what's in my Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette accessoire. Yes, I'm having to film this in the office because this is the only time I have available in my diary this week to be able to record a video for you. So here I am. We've got quite a nice outlook out there. We've got a couple of swans out on the little lake. Today's bag of the day for work, because she does carry a lot, and I've got my grab handle from Dress Up Your Purse on the top of it, is my Louis Vuitton Neo Noe. Still not in love with this bag, but I'm making myself use it. Now, here we go. This is my mini pochette accessoire. You can see it's actually quite well stuffed at the moment, and I was surprised when I went in here looking for my lippy just exactly how much fits in this little thing. Hold on to your horses. I will lay it all out on the desk in front of me as well so you get to see everything, but let's have a quick run through of what is currently in my mini pochette accessoire. Look at that. Yoicks. And before we get stuck into what I stuck into this little cutie, if you are new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms, and if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then go ahead, get down there, hit subscribe, ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Shameless promotion out of the way. Let's get into this. Okay, on the very top I have got this little Jo Malone Velvet Rose and Oud. This was one of the prizes in the eggs giveaway that Karma did that I won, so that I'm carrying that with me. That's a really handy size and it fits in here no problem. I've got some extra strong mints. Carry them everywhere, don't ever eat them. I've got my earpods case. Now I do have a sort of butterfly case that my sister gave me for Christmas that I normally put on it, but it bulks it out a little bit, so when I'm carrying it in here I take that case off. I've got some headache pills. I have a glasses cleaner. I have my lippy, which is this NARS Afterglow in colour Orgasm. I do like this one. I do like this one a lot. Let's see. I'm filming on my mobile phone today as well, so maybe that will improve, or maybe it won't improve the focusing issues I have. I seem to have a lot of Rennies in here, but that's okay because I'm in my mid-40s and I generally need them. I have got my Chanel double mirror, brilliant bit of kit, probably the only non-makeup, as in actual lipstick or something, piece I'm ever going to have from Chanel. I have got a couple of Deflatine. Again, I'm in my mid-40s, things are starting to get a little bit more squishy now. I have a lady product. I have this Handbag Angels Organisers bag hook thing. There. Cute. Don't use it very often, but it's there if I need to use it. Getting down to the last couple of things here. This takes up quite a lot of real estate from the mini pochette accessoire. This is a little pack of toothpick things that, again, I carry around everywhere but barely ever use. So the things I could do if I didn't have that in there. And the last thing in here is this pen, which is actually from Harrods. This is a twist biro, and I kid you not, I have had this for almost 26 years. It's probably about 22 years old, this. Amazing. And that is everything. People keep walking past the room that I'm in. It's not a full room. It's just an open doorway, and I'm a little bit nervous about doing this in the office because, let's face it, it's a strange thing. It's a strange thing to do, to sit here with your handbag and your accessories, talking into your mobile phone to no one. Now, I do tend to use this and carry this in pretty much every single handbag I use. I have also used this as a teeny tiny little crossbody bag, in which case I would add a strap here and here, but I wouldn't generally unclip this and add it to the strap. I'll mostly use either the chain strap from my Pochette Felici or my 12mm non-adjustable Louis Vuitton Vachetta strap. If I was going to use this as a handbag rather than a catch-all, obviously I would be cutting down a lot of the stuff that would be in there. This Gucci card pouch, key pouch, is slightly larger than the Louis Vuitton one, and my Fendi card holder is quite large, but those two fit in there quite nicely. And if I was going to be using this, I would probably cut it down, so I've just got my lipstick in there and that would be the absolute bare minimum. I'd want to take out lipstick, card, keys, Rennies and some headache pills. That would be, I'd chuck a pen in because I like to keep a pen on me. Actually, at the weekend we went for birthdays. We went out for birthday celebrations and we bought a card, and the hubby said, do you happen to have a pen with you? And I said, of course I've got a pen with me. And he said, that is why I married you. So these are the things that I carry, so he doesn't have to, but he still has access to. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have the Mini Pochette accessoire and if you use it as a catch-all with this kind of stuff thrown in it. Let me know what kind of stuff you carry in yours. Let me know if you use it as a handbag, a tiny handbag, not quite the full TBE, but close, definitely. And if indeed you're on the market to try and get your hands on one of these amazing pieces. I do hope you found this video interesting, helpful, informative. Were you surprised at how much I got in there? I was. I'm not entirely sure I'm going to be able to get it all back in now, but we'll give it a go. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please show it the thumbs up, love. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video with my normal background, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye-bye!